This is lesson 5 of our e-safety unit. We're going to look at cyber security. So how can you protect yourself from online threats? Now our objectives are to evaluate the options for cyber security. Now cyber threats. This is a massive market currently. The worldwide spending on cybersecurity is expected to be $133.7 billion in 2022. 68% of business leaders feel they are at risk. 2% of those breaches are from hacking and 20% involve malware. 32 to 33% include social engineering. Now remember, we've already looked at what is social engineering, what's hacking, and what is malware. So you've got to start a task. Go to your workbooks, find lesson 5, and then on here, what I want you to do is decide which are the correct answers. Put the tick next to which answer you think is correct. Pause the video and complete this slide now for me. Let's have a look at the answers. Trojans, question 1. Trojans, spyware, adware, and worms are all types of what? Well, it's malware. Question 2. What is the term for when human users of a system are tricked into providing confidential information? Well, that's social engineering. And which is the correct term for a large collection of infected devices used to perform an attack on a system? That's a DDoS attack. So it should say DDoS attack. The exciting thing about this industry is that it's expected to be 100,000 unfilled cybersecurity jobs in 2022. Now this is really good if you're looking for a career in this industry, that they are desperate for people to work in cybersecurity. If you're interested in cybersecurity jobs, remember you'd need to take a GCSE computer science, which would probably lead on to A-level. Now do you remember this website? I want you to go to this page in your workbooks and we're going to be having a look at it again. Click on the link in your website and it will bring up this page. These are the questions you need to answer. What are the top 3 targeted industries? What are the top 3 malware types? And in the UK, which malware trend makes up the largest percentage of attacks? There is an extension, so you're going to have to look at the threats. You can see the top targeted countries. You can see the highest targeted industries, the type of attacks on there. And if you click on the United Kingdom, it will give you more information about it. So please fill in this page now. Okay, I want you to complete the following next. We're going to look at how to keep ourselves safe from cyber attacks. Often companies will compare the impact of an attack against the probability of it happening, because it's expensive to protect against all these attacks. So what I want you to do is, in class we're going to be given a speciality each, but I want you to research and in your workbooks look at the different types of security and then give an explanation. Now there is help for you on this section. You need to go to our PowerPoint. Remember, we go to lesson 5 in our lessons. Once you're there, all the information that you need is on these 4 pages. You need to format the information into one brief slide. Your explanation should be no larger than these boxes, so you're going to have to reduce that information. Look for the images that you can find. If you'd like more information, there are a series of extended learning tasks. These are some of the online threats, and you can go and have a look at and make a poster at the different online threats.